In this video, we're going to talk about Nano Dimension, trading under the symbol NNDM. Before today's video begins, if you like my content, please check out my channel for more stock analysis videos on other companies that you may be interested in. Nano Dimension has been the topic of a lot of financial news websites, forums, and subjects of videos on YouTube, such as the one that you're watching right now. And of course, an investment by Cathie Wood and her ARK Invest. Nano Dimension has something special in it, in the fact that it's developing high-end, high added value and scalable production for electronics. These manufacturing methods can be used in many sectors, like automobile, consumer electronics, and defense systems. So far, the stock has been treated very similarly to a meme stock. Now, it doesn't mean that it's a meme stock, although the way that it entered into our attention or our considerations is very similar to the way GameStop, AMC, or Tesla of 2020 entered in our mind. The company became widely known because ARK invested into it. At the time, ARK was like the go-to reference for anyone interested in investing into startups, disruptive companies, and growth stocks. Cathie Wood's media appearance became something that everyone wanted a piece of, and the price of the ETF really went up during that period of time. Of course, we're in a different sequence of events now, and the growth stocks have lost a lot of their aura compared to where things were just 9 months ago. The market is now willing to take a look at them once again, but wants to choose the winners from an ocean of PowerPoint presentations. This is why I think that the stock should be considered as a fairly strong candidate, as a company with an actual future, beyond the hype, the initial interest due to name dropping, and so on. Nano Dimension should be something more. At least that's what it seems to be on paper. On paper, Nano Dimension has the technology that few of its peers and rivals have. It shouldn't be a surprise to us that recently the stock price hasn't been great, mostly because the price has been affected by this general sell-off of startups and is now trying to find a support. I think that the support line has been found around $6. It touched the bottom around $5.70 back in mid-May and is now going to test that area once again. When we think about it, there's a lot of similarities between the price action of different stocks, from Nano Dimension to Lucid Motors to Hyliion to Nikola and so on. So if you really take a look at the videos that I made regarding those companies, you will see that there are a lot of things that are similar in a way that those companies move up and down almost at the same time. What that means is that the entire sector, or the general overarching type of stocks, if you will, are bottoming out, or at least have the tendency to do so, or if you will, the will to do so. And that the stocks should be going up, or at least find some very solid support from where they are now. Of course, if Nano Dimension is able to demonstrate that there are industrial companies willing to buy an entire system of what it sells, then that would be the confirmation of its importance and the existence of its value. So far, we have seen the company getting some individual and one-off interests here and there, but without any major operations going on, and it may be encouraging to see something more significant happening on the sales side. Overall, I think that the company is doing great for itself, and given the circumstances, it's at least holding up for the time being. The rest depends on how the market will treat those kinds of companies in the upcoming month, as a legitimate company with disruptive capacity or a meme stock that is only good at making money. My recommendation for the stock is to buy at least 2 to 5% of your portfolio into it and 50% of your allocation or more should be bought now. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.